How to lock any app with Face ID on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Shortcuts app. Here we go. At the bottom, you will find different options. Click on the option of automation. Click on this plus icon given at the top right corner. Scroll down. Find the option app. Once you find it, open it. Now click on choose. Now from here, you have to select the app that you want to lock. I'm going to choose CapCut. After you select it, click on done. Now check in for the option run immediately. Click on next. Click on this option new blank automation. Click on add action. Now over here type in lock. Scroll down. Click on this option of lock screen. Click on done. With that, I have just locked my CapCut app. Now I can close this. Now whenever I open my CapCut, it will require Face ID. So this is how you can lock app with Face ID on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.